What happens when we multiply a rational number by another rational number? Let's find out. Let's take a look at some examples. So let's say we have the number 5 and we want to multiply this by the number 11. So what do we get? We get 55. We know that 11 times 5 is 55. Now each one of them is a rational number. So when we multiply two rational numbers, we are getting a rational number. This time, let's multiply the number 5 with maybe 3 by, say, 7. So what is the answer to this? Well, we know that we can think of 5 as 5 by 1, right? So then this will become, in the numerator, we will multiply 5 times 3, and denominator, we will multiply 1 times 7, and we are going to have 15 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator. So 5 times 3 by 7 is 15 over 7, which is again a rational number. This time, let's say we multiply the number 2 over maybe 3. I'm randomly writing these rational numbers as we go along. Say this multiply by maybe, say, 6 over maybe 5, let's say. So how are we going to solve this? Well, we know when we multiply like that, we have to multiply the numerators and we have to multiply the denominators. So what we have, we can obviously simplify, right? So we can say, well, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So we have in the numerator 2 times 2 and denominator we have 1 times 5. So this will be 4 by 5. Let's make sure we did it correctly. So 2 times 2, 1 times 5, we have 4 over 5. Again, we are getting a rational number. Let's take a look at some more examples. This time, let's say we have minus 4 over 5. Let's multiply this with the number minus maybe 3 by, let's say maybe 5. So here, how are we going to do this? Well, again, this will be simply minus 4 times minus 3 in the numerator, and denominator will be 5 times 5. Or we will have minus minus is plus, 4 3s are 12 over 25. So we multiply two rational numbers, we are again getting a rational number. How about we multiply, let's say, minus 4 over 5 times just the number 6. So how are we going to do this? Well, 6 can be written as 6 by 1, and then again we can do it the same way. So in the numerator we have minus 4 times 6, and denominator we have 5 times 1. So we will get basically 4 6 are 24. So minus 24 over 5. And again we are getting a rational number. So maybe one final example. Let's try this time. Let's say we multiply 1 over 2, multiply by minus 6 over maybe 5, multiply by maybe 4 over maybe, let's say, 7 maybe. So here we are multiplying three rational numbers. So what do we get? So in the numerator, we will have 1 times minus 6 times 4, and denominator will have 2 times 5 times 7. Now we can cancel this out. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So our numerator now looks like minus 6 times 2 times 1. Let's write that. Let's not forget this. And denominator is simply 1 times 5 times 7. So if you actually do the multiplication, we will have, this is 2 and 6 2s are 12, minus 12 in the numerator, denominator is, we have here 35. 35 times 1 is 35. So again, we have a rational number. So what we see is that whenever we multiply any rational number with another rational number, we will always get a rational number.